In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore Temu's platform and product offerings effectively, paving the way for identifying potential business opportunities such as dropshipping or reselling. This will be beautifully balanced with practical steps for creating an account, familiarizing yourself with the platform's features, and ultimately starting to source and market products through your own channels. Firstly, let's dive into Temu's platform. When you enter the website, you'll notice a vast array of product categories ranging from electronics and fashion to home goods and more. Take your time exploring these categories to get a sense of what's available. Pay attention to the trending products and best sellers, as they can offer insight into what's currently popular in the market. This initial exploration phase is crucial because it helps you identify what could potentially work well in your business model. Once you've got a feel for the platform, it's time to shift your focus to identifying potential business opportunities. Whether you're interested in dropshipping or reselling, this is where things get exciting. Consider which types of products align best with your business goals and customer demographics. For instance, if you're looking at dropshipping, you might want something lightweight and trendy for easy shipping and demand. Analyze the competition, pricing, and supplier terms to ensure you can offer competitive pricing while still maintaining a healthy profit margin. Now that you've identified some opportunities, let's move on to creating your account. Signing up on Temu's platform is a straightforward process. Simply click on the sign up button and follow the prompts to enter your personal information. Once your account is set up, take some time to navigate through the platform's features. Get comfortable with the dashboard, explore different tools available for sellers, and importantly, understand the buying process from the customer's perspective. This knowledge is invaluable as it ensures you can effectively guide your own customers when the time comes. Having laid that groundwork, the next step is to start sourcing products. Select the items that you believe have the most potential based on your research. Establish connections with reliable suppliers who can deliver high-quality goods consistently. Confidence in your suppliers will not only minimize hiccups down the line, but also enhance your brand's reputation. Finally, it's time to market these products through your channels, whether it's leveraging social media platforms, using influencer partnerships, or building your own e-commerce site. Choose a strategy that aligns with your target audience. Tailor your marketing efforts to highlight the unique features of your products and what sets them apart in the marketplace. Remember, a compelling marketing campaign can significantly boost your sales potential and customer engagement. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to exploring Temu's platform, identifying business opportunities, setting up your account, and starting to source and market your products. Each step is integral to building and growing your own business. Stick around, try things out, and refine your process as you go along, and you're well on your way to success.